Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on speedometer in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on speedometer in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and its kind of interface will appear, and over here you'll be required to tap on the settings option over here, which is just below your data in maps. Tap on settings, and over here again we'll be required to scroll down a little bit, and you can see the navigation settings over here, which is just above your manage your preferences. Tap on navigation settings, and over here again scroll down to the bottom of the list, and after you land on the bottom of the list over here you can see the speedometer settings, which is under the driving options. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the speedometer, and your speedometer in Google Maps will be turned on. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on speedometer in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.